How to turn on read receipts on Gmail. For this, you have to go ahead and search for Chrome Store and tap on the first suggestion shown. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for Mail Track. You can select anyone from this list. I'll be selecting the first one right here. All you have to do is just go ahead and double tap on the suggestion. Then tap on Add Extension Bubble at the side. Now tap on Connect with your Google. Now you have to select your Google account, so go ahead and do that. Now, once you have selected it, go ahead and tap on Allow. Then tap on Sign up for free. Tap on Go to Gmail. Now, once you are redirected to your Gmail, you should have something like this popped up right here. And simply by tapping on OK, now it will be added to your Gmail, and now you'll be able to read receipt in your Gmail. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.